Kinetic energy. Hello students, myself Mr. Naneshwar Dhotre. So today I will going to study very important chapter. Those name is chemical thermodynamics. So before start this chapter we have seen the term means heat and dynamic means motion, means heat of motions. So heat is the form of energy. Introduction. Energy, it is a capacity to do work. The body with high energy can do more work. Now the different forms of energy: potential energy, kinetic energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy. All those forms of energy can be transferred from one form to another. Now, the example is when water in a reservoir of a dam, as the water starts to fall down through an outlet, its potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases due to the downward velocity. It means that potential energy of falling water is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy produced by virtue of movement of an object. The potential energy due to the position of an object. The heat energy transfer from one object to another due to the temperature difference between them. Thermodynamics is concerned with the energy changes in physical and chemical transformations. Now the physical transformations means when solid ice is converted into water. When solid ice is heat absorbed and convert into liquid state, it will be energy change. Now the chemical transformation, the example is dry cell or a pencil cell. It is daily used in home equipment. In dry cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Means it is important to note that the different forms of energy are interconvertible. This means when one form of energy disappears and other form of energy must appear in equal magnitude. The study of the energy taking place during chemical reactions. In these units we have learned different forms of energy and relationship. Terms used in thermodynamics. The universe is divided into two parts. Now the first one is a system and second one is surrounding. Now in this figure we have seen cylinder with a movable pistons. Now here gas is enclosed in a cylinder with equipped of a movable pistons. In these pistons with adding weight, suppose we undertake study of change in volume of a gas and the amount of energy released or gained by a gas when the pressure is varied by putting certain mass on the pistons. In this case, a gas under study is called the system and outside part of the system is called surrounding. Cylinder wall are called boundary separation between the system and surrounding is called boundary. System, the part of universe under thermodynamic investigation, is called the system. Surroundings, all other part of the universe outside the system, are surroundings. Types of systems. There are three types of systems on the basis of exchange of matter and energy between system and surroundings. In this figure, on open cup containing a hot coffee, we observe that coffee cools down, releasing heat to the surrounding. The water vapor from the coffee simultaneously pass into the surroundings. Water vapor and heat can flow from the system to surrounding. It is an example of open system, and another example is human being is a example of a open systems. Now the definition of this open system is a system that can exchange both matter and energy with its surrounding is called an open system. Now the second system is a closed system. In these figures, a cup containing hot coffee is covered with a saucer. Coffee cools down by giving away heat to the surrounding. The water vapor from the coffee now does not pass into the surrounding. Such a system exchange only energy, not the matter in the surroundings. Now the definition of this system, closed system, a system that can exchange only energy but not matter with the surrounding is called as a closed system. Now the third and last system is isolated system. So in this figure, a cup containing hot coffee covered with saucer in a isolated from the surrounding. The coffee does not cool down at the time. There is no escape of water vapor into the surroundings, means does not exchange matter and energy. Means in these figures the water vapor cannot pass into the system and surrounding. And the definition of this isolated system, a system that cannot exchange either matter or energy with its surrounding, is called an isolated system. Now we have seen one chart. In this chart, types of system, energy and matter. In this first open system, the energy is exchanged, not and matter also exchange. And second one is closed system. In this closed system, energy is exchanged, not the matter. And the last one is isolated system. In this isolated system, both the energy and matter cannot be exchanged with its surroundings. Okay, thank you.